Just wanted to take a few minutes and talk about my rather unorthodox steering modification to this mid-70s Ferret. These originally came with two levers, one on the right side, one on the left side, that you reach down, you pulled them up, and they activated the brakes. Basically, it's a brake steer unit, and you brake the right side to turn right and brake the left side to turn left. And what happened was that there was this tab, where is it? Right here. And there was a big long handle coming out like this. You would pull on the handle, would lift this up, and activate the brakes. And as you can see, I've welded in a whole bunch of crazy linkage up above, and I'm just going to kind of go over how this modification works. To have one hand free, I wanted to change out to a single handle system. So you can pull this lever, and in theory, pulling this way, it brakes the left side and you turn left, pulling back, brakes the right side and you turn right. A yoke, I used 5/8 inch threaded rod. Might be a little bit of overkill, but my reasoning was that that works really well with 1/2 inch Schedule 40 steel pipe, which is what the steering system's kind of based off of. So this is threaded rod coming back here, and then it comes to a ball joint, goes through this lever and transmits so it gets the other side. And basically, see if I can get this, if I'm pulling back, the two nuts there push on that piece of 1/2 inch pipe and transfer the force and lift the arm up and do the brakes. Now when I go to turn left, I come forward to neutral and then through. The threaded rod can freely slide through that piece of pipe. But in the meantime, since everything's in reverse, the other side is being tightened. It's a little easier to see on the other side. So there it is. Now as I go and try to turn right, you can see that the extra thread there, because it's just passing through the pipe nipple, but when I go to turn left, it pulls back. I haven't actually tried it yet, but thought I would get a video of it before I put it all back together. Running the engine here in the shop with just no tires on it, it does work and brakes everything, so I'm optimistic. The reason I'm doing this is this unit's going to be being used for cross-country ski grooming, and I'm going to make extensive use of the hydraulic pump here in front, and always want to have one hand free to operate that pump to raise and lower the front blade, and then we'll put in some selector valves so that we can raise and lower track setters on the grooming equipment that will be towed behind the unit. But that's my crazy little modification.